AJ's. Gotta get my list. They still have a sign up about masks. We're probably gonna yell that, and I hate to do that at my favorite restaurant, store, whatever. Not a restaurant, but I get food already cooked. Okay, we need grated Parmesan cheese. Assuming that will be somewhere over here. Oh, that's over the cheese section. We need minced garlic. That means chopped up, right? We'll buy this. It's only $3.60. That'll be fine. More of the garlic than we need. We'll donate the rest to somebody who needs garlic. Oh, you know what? We should use... Maybe... there we go. A bag. Because I didn't get a bag. Forgot to get a basket, so this is our bag now. Smart. Somehow I can turn around doing something really stupid and call it smart. Okay, so we got the garlic, right? We're making wings, by the way. Parsley. Parsley. Now, somebody can do that for me. This is already complicated. My wing chef should be handling this shit for me, but she's not here. So, got the recipe from her. Hope I don't fuck it up. This is parsley. Perfect. This is. Right? Yeah, you know, you can smell it. I don't actually know. Is that parsley? Okay, parsley. Check. It's all wet. This is a lot. This is probably gonna be the most dramatic recipe in my life. Parsley, check. I got salt and pepper already. Fuck, we're halfway home. Now we have to get wings and cheese. That's it. Oh, and ranch. We should use ranch. Of course, we're gonna buy it already. Done. Fuck, we'll do that. It's a dressing dip, but it's expensive. It's balls. $7. We're going homestyle. Lighthouse. I feel good about Lighthouse. We'll put it in with our other thing in our basket bag. Look at it. What are you tweaking? Don't drop that. It's got glass. It's got glass. Okay. We're gonna get. This isn't for the recipe. This is for something else. We need 3 prime ribeyes, please.
Do you want more of the cap or less of the cap?
I have no idea.
Alright, cap's going to be a lot more flavor in there. There's a dark meat on the edge.
I want the flavor.
That's going to be these guys here.
Awesome. We want the cap, people. Okay. Then we're going to need 3 twice baked potatoes. That's why I come here. And it's the best. I ate steak from somewhere else last week out of town. It was fucking terrible. It was terrible.
Yeah, they don't do it.
I cooked it exactly the way I do here.
Yeah.
Shit. Oh, and I need a butter, please.
How much are the potatoes?
3 of the loaded ones with the bacon. I'm so glad that I'm making Lee pay for this shit. He's rich. He's in the army. He has to be. He works with his buddy Biden. I have a question for you.
Yeah.
Do we have chicken wings in this store somewhere?
Yes, we do.
Are they with you?
Yeah. They're going to be the raw or the cooked?
No, I want to cook them.
Okay. Yeah, we have them only raw. Have them in the back. How much do you need?
I need 3 pounds.
3 pounds?
It called for 2. We're making extra. This is a great stop. I thought we were going to need to go to multiple places. But AJ's came to. I'm probably paying right out the ass for this, but I hate seafood. They're ghetto. There's a storm going on behind us. That was cool. Did you hear this? I know you heard it. It's random. Just boom, monsoon.
Let's see where that's at. 7 pounds. Yeah, about 20 pieces there.
There's only 20? Yep. Shit. Can you give me more than I said then? We need like 30 pieces. I had no idea what chicken wing weighed. I need 4 pounds in the future. We're gonna double down on the recipe. And I bought so much of the garlic, why not? Right? Am I right? Lee, I'm gonna need your hands. I'll trust you with the meats. Get off the goddamn phone. Kids are all the same. He should have really gotten a cart.
You always told me my meat was enough.
Look at this guy. Could have got a cart. All right. I want to have my hands free in case I see something I need. This guy is fucking unbelievable. He just shows up. He's like, you don't need a cart, you have me. I was like, you sure? He's like, I'm fucking sure. All right. Get the cheese. I almost forgot, I swear to God. There's like 4 ingredients, I almost forgot one. Disaster. That's right. We'll go back here. Where you park it up? Right there. Genius. Genius. All right, we can go. Oh, my basket. I guess I'll let my basket do it. I'll carry this. I'm a giver, as you can see. You want any pizza or anything in your basket? No, pizza. Do you need a beer? Always. I should get him a beer for doing this. What do you want?
We're drinking wine tonight?
Always drink wine. Of course, drink wine.
I'll just stick with the wine, sir.
It's classy now. These guys.
Moving up in the world.
They are moving up in the wine, right? That one bag you should probably empty because it's actually not that's a basket bag. Yeah, take that one out. There you go. Hello. We needed a bag. He didn't want to use a basket for some reason. He's from out of town. It's fine. There you go. It's his first time. She's not having fun. Plastic, please. Masks are only recommended now. But that one over there said, oh, it does. It says recommended. It doesn't say required. It's fine. Okay, so we got parsley, we got the cheese, we got the garlic, we got the Lighthouse Ranch, we got the ribeyes. Those are for something else. We'll probably film that shit too, because who gives a fuck? We got some twice baked potatoes. We got 4 pounds of chicken wings, and we got garlic butter. All for the bargain price of $161. I feel good about that. I mean, 90 of that sticks. And this guy, I owe him. He was a fucking basket for crying out loud. All right, let's go. You want to talk about expensive? That place, Yogurtology, that's expensive. Like, asinine. Do you guys want yogurt?
Yeah.
We should get yogurt. You want to put the stuff in the truck?
Yes, I do.
All right, let's do
The
that.
basket wants to unload.
All right. We'll stand here and watch you walk away. It's going to be very funny on video.
I always love to watch you walk away.
Look at that. That ass down. Damn. Zoom in. Hello. Look at him go. You can go faster. His pace is shit. All right, now listen. When we go into Yogurtology, this place is business. It's actually not very fun. So we're going to go get our stuff, bring them out, tell you what's in them. It's fucking, they're scooping it for us now, which is shit. COVID. Anyways, but when we come out, we'll show you what we got. We'll tell you how we got ass raped, and Basket will pay for it. All right, see you in a minute.
Receipt with that.
No, that would be proof that I was here spending $30 on ice cream.
Have a nice day, you guys.
Thank you, you too.
Thank you.
Good Lord.
So,
Hi, any coffee for you?
I told you. We were there. We had 2 meals. Lots of food. Steak, wings, garlic, random shit. And I said, you know, 161's not bad. Don't fall, please. Didn't seem bad to me. I said, you want to see bad? Let's go get some fucking ice cream. So look, we got this, we got that, and we got that, okay? Look at this one over here. Okay, we got those, okay? And I had a discount, which brought us to $31. Like I said, not bad, ass raping. But apparently we like ass raping because we're all gonna have some. So these three, questionable. Like we said in the last one when I was filming and crying and the men with the situation. Now here I am. All right, we got ice cream. Let's go eat this, cook that. It's gonna be great. I'm poor now, but that's cool. I'm gonna, just remember guys, OnlyFans, get my feet in there, quick. OnlyFans, $10 a month, pay for my ice cream.